If you are scared of IELTS Part 2, which is a cue card, and you are unable to answer the question in sequence, which affects your score of overall speaking, then stop worrying now, because in this video, I'm going to explain the quick hacks of IELTS Part 2 step by step. Don't skip, watch this video till the end. Hello, my name is Sadiq Akbar and I'm TOEFL and TESOL Certified Trainer and Career Counselor. And you are watching my YouTube channel, English and Professional Development. If you haven't subscribed my channel, do subscribe it and click on the bell icon to get some more informative videos. IELTS Cue Card is a bunch of a question written on a card which is given to the students to speak on a topic for 2 to 3 minutes. Prior to speaking, the students are given pencil and paper to make some notes if they want. The topic is most of the time from the past, such as an event, a happening, a story, a meeting, but overall, it is the experiences of the past. So this is very essential to rehearse all your past tenses so that you may present your experiences very well. But the real challenge is that most of the candidates, they tune themselves to the real situation where the sequential presentation of an event is of prime importance. First and foremost, when you are given a cue card, don't write and make more sentences on the paper you are given. Rather, jot down any idea you have already conceived, which you can easily decode and speak on. Most of the time with candidates, it happens to the candidates that they're busy and consume most of their time on making notes and writing long sentences, and later they are unable to speak on a topic because they are short of time. So the first thing is that you have to utilize your time wisely, and for that you have to jot down any hints which you can easily decode and can speak on the topic well. The second essential of attempting IELTS Cue Card is to choose or pick a topic on which is quite familiar to you. Don't choose a topic on which you cannot present your ideas very well. For instance, the examiner gives you a very vast topic and you are supposed to choose a topic of your own choice. In other words, the ball is in your court. If you are to speak about a person who you admire a lot, so don't choose a topic or a person who you can present very well. Rather, talk about a person, a politician, celebrity, a sports person or an actor. And you can start from his or her introduction, giving the educational background, express the traits of his or her personality, moving forward to the likes and dislikes, and at the end you can illustrate why do you admire that person a lot. The third most important step is you don't know about the topic which you are given. So don't stay silent, rather imagine about any similar topic like that you can imagine at that particular time and start making some notes. During that, you will have much to speak on. But if you stay silent and you just waste your time, it gives a very negative impression to your examiner, because your examiner is most of the time tuned for the presentation of your linguistic skills rather than just pouring out the information. During your speaking, don't worry if your examiner stops you. But it's very essential that you keep the record of time so that you may demonstrate your ideas and can speak on the given time. And it also gives this impression to your examiner that you can speak within a given time on any topic and can express yourself very well. At the end, there will be some relevant questions asked by the examiner and you are supposed to give the answers of those questions. This is how your exam cue card ends. Thank you for watching.